Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to turn off your private account to the public account on your Pinterest account on your mobile phone. A complete guide. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button video. We just quickly get into the video. So how to turn off your private profile or how to switch back to the public profile, just going to show in this video. For that, click on the saved option on the bottom section. Now click on the three dot option on the top, and then you just need to click on the setting option. After clicking on the setting option, you have the option called profile visibility. Click on this. Now you can see the first option actually turned on. So this make your profile as a private, so the people you approve can only see your profile, pin, boards, and followers, and also the following list. So just tap on this. That's it. Now your profile is public. Now this is how you just change or switch from the private profile to the public profile on your Pinterest account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.